Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying whether the watch is quartz or mechanical and why that matters for parts and power. You remove the strap, secure the watch on a soft mat, and open the case carefully with the correct opener. Once done, remove the movement holder or spacer and photograph the movement for reference. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Make sure to keep screws in labeled dishes. Even one dropped screw can halt reassembly later, so stay organized as you proceed. Next, diagnose the movement. Test the battery voltage in quartz or examine the balance wheel amplitude in mechanical watches to see why it's stopping. You remove hands and dial, then use a loop to inspect pivots and jewels for wear. Clean pivot points with Rodico and pegwood, and lightly oil specified jewels with the correct amount. Too much oil attracts dirt. Once cleaned, replace worn gaskets or the crown and stem. Then wind or power the movement to observe continuous operation. Finally, reassemble the watch in reverse order while aligning the hands at 12:00 and avoiding finger oils on the dial. Once sealed with new gaskets, press the case back evenly and, if applicable, perform a water resistance test for watches rated above 30 m. Run a 24-48-hour timing check to confirm stability and accuracy. If you notice irregular ticks or poor amplitude, inspect gear mesh and lubrication. Often a misplaced oil blot or a bent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.